Hello, my friends. My name is Matthew Wayne Selznick. I'm an author, a creator, and a creative services provider helping other creators. And today I'm here to talk to you about what's cool about my new software product, What Matters. Now, What Matters is simply a countdown application. You put in the day and it counts down those days. And that's it. Except What Matters has a point of view. As you can see, it asks you, are you doing what matters as those days count down to the deadline that you've set? Now, I created What Matters because I was looking for a very simple, single-purpose countdown app. And everything that I could find, paid and free, wanted to do a bunch of other stuff. Had some bells and whistles that I didn't want or need. Just wanted a thing that would count down and have a little message. So that's What Matters. It doesn't talk to the internet. There's no digital rights management. You don't have to register with a license key. None of that. You put in a date and it tells you how many days are left until that date arrives, with a little nudge to make sure that you're staying on task, staying on target, and doing what matters until that day happens. Let's take a little look at it, right? So here we are. Now I've got it set for my birthday in the year 2061, which, based on life insurance actuary data, for a person my current age, of my current health, living in my current location, 2061 is statistically how long I can expect to live. I can expect to live until around the year 2061. Given that, I have, a ballpark idea of how long I have to do the things that matter to me. You can change that date. Let's reset it. Open up the set date. You can use the little calendar drop down to pick a day, month, year, and so on. Let's just choose that. Update it, and there we go. You can also just write in the month, date, and year, right there, and update it there. Or you can just pick a quick option for these particular time frames. Let's say maybe you've got a long engagement, right? So you could set it for 2 years. There you go. 730 days left until the big day. And it will count down. Make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing to accomplish the thing that happens on that day. And that's really all there is to What Matters. Use it for whatever deadline is important to you, whether it's like me and you're thinking about how long you have left to accomplish all the things you want to accomplish before you run out of days, or you've got a big project coming up, or whatever it might be. Make sure you're doing what matters to accomplish that thing and know how many days are left to do that. And that's it. There's a little help screen, which pretty much runs over everything that I just told you. There's a little about screen with some contact info, version information, copyright information, credits. And that's all there is to it. Now, I'm offering What Matters for Windows, Mac, and Linux users for $5 as of November 2025. That gets you a license to use the thing on up to 3 of your personal computers. And again, it's cross-platform, Mac, Windows, Linux. You need to leave your email address and your name when you buy the thing, but there's no registration, there's no license code or anything like that. It doesn't talk to the internet. All it does is take a day you put in it and count it down and remind you to do what matters until that day happens. Also, every time I do an update or upgrade to What Matters, the price will go up just a little bit. But whatever price you buy it at, you get those updates and upgrades, well, until my time runs out. For life, in other words. So, if you're looking for a very basic, intentionally single-purpose application to count down the days you have left to do what matters until the thing that matters to you happens, then I've got it. You can go to mattselznick.com, or you can go to selznick.me/whatmatters and get your copy of What Matters. Thanks a lot. Take care.